How to activate Chase debit card on app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Chase is already installed on a device. If not, you need to head over to your app store and then install it on a device. Wait for a while for it to complete. Once the application has been installed, simply open it. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. If you already have your account, then you have to tap on sign in and then enter your login credential. Once you have entered your login credential, you will be logged into a specific account. After that, you need to head over to your payment method and then the option of add card will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. One interface will pop up on your screen. You have to enter the necessary information of your debit card. Once you have entered all the information, tap on save. Once you click on save, your debit card will be activated successfully. But if you don't have your account yet, then tap on sign up over here. It will land you on this page. First of all, select the account type. Let me select personal. Right here you can see where it says debit or credit card number. You simply have to enter your debit card number. After that, enter your social security number and then create a username. Once you have entered all the information, tap on next. Follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. Once your account has been created, your debit card will also be activated. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can activate debit card on Chase app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.